Alright, so this numerical is again for NEET and JEE. You can see there is a circuit in which you have an ammeter and you also have a voltmeter. It is given in the numerical that these meters are idealized meters, which means the resistance offered by voltmeter is infinity and resistance offered by ammeter is 0. And the first step therefore is to apply Kirchhoff's voltage law, or in this case Ohm's law, in the loop you can see in the circuit. And when you apply the KVL or Ohm's law, please be careful that you add 25 volts and 15 volts, because these two are in series and therefore get directly added. So the total voltage comes out to be 40 volt. Calculate the current, and the goal of the question is to find the voltage across AB. What is a reading in the voltmeter? So if you see, the reading in the voltmeter will be VA minus VB. Now move from A to B, you see minus to plus 15 volts gain in potential, and then there is a drop in potential on 75 ohms. So 75 into the current which you obtained from previous expression, and you get the answer as negative minus 15 by 7, which shows that the potential of B is greater than potential of A. Thank you.